How to transfer funds from Apple Cash to debit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can transfer funds from Apple Cash to your debit card. I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing first, a reminder that make sure that you've already linked your debit card to your Apple Cash, otherwise you'll not be able to do it without linking your debit card to your Apple Cash. Now logged into your Apple Cash. Once you're logged into your Apple Cash, you need to tap on the three dot icon located in the top right corner of your screen. As you tap on it, on the other interface, you need to tap on transfer to bank in the top right corner. Next page, you'll need to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and once you're done entering the amount, tap on next in the top right. Next page, you need to tap on instant transfer, which is right on top. As I've already mentioned before, that you must have linked your card to your Apple Pay. In case you haven't done it, you need to tap on add card, and after that you need to enter the account number or the card number and then the CVV number, and after that you've successfully linked your card. So once you're done linking your bank account, you'll be directed to this page, and you need to tap on instant transfer, which is right on top. Once you click on it, you also need to tap on transfer in the top right. And in case you already have linked your card to your Apple Pay and you have a multiple card, then you need to select a particular card where you want to transfer the fund. And once you're done selecting it, next page you need to review all of the information. So in order to verify your identity, you'll need to provide your touch or the face ID and then the passcode associated to your Apple Pay. Once you do that, within 30 minutes you'll be receiving a notification saying that the transfer has been completed. So that is how you can transfer funds from Apple Cash to your debit card. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.